In this video I'm going to show you how to delete profile picture on your Facebook. It's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first you need to open up Facebook application and get into menu. Once you are in menu, you need to click on your profile name and here click on your photo. And then we need to tap on view profile picture option right here. I tap on it and here I need to tap on these three dots icon at the top right, and here it is on the first place, delete photo feature. If I will tap on it, and there I can delete my photo in Facebook and Instagram because my Facebook and Instagram is synced. Or if I want to delete this photo just from Facebook, I can open up Manage Sync settings and turn off this sync profile picture feature. So then go back and here try again to delete photo and then tap delete to delete this photo just from my Facebook account. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.